Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert English subtitle to any other language.
First, we will go to subtitles translator.com. Then we will select the subtitle file, which is SRT format here, and we selected and uploaded the file. And then we will click next. Then we will select our desired language. Here we selected Bangla, but there are lots of languages that we can select from. There are at least 80 languages. Okay, we are almost done. Then we select the name of our file. Then here we see that our file is converted to Bangla already. Now we can press download and the file will begin downloading. Here we can donate or share. Here we selected just downloading. Yeah, our file is being downloaded. Now we are going to open the file. So it is in zip format, so we are going to unzip it. We extracted the file here, and now we can open the file using uh, Notepad or Notepad++. We can edit the subtitle as we like. Sometimes it's not as appropriate as we want it to be, so sometimes we need to make some modification. So that's it, our file is ready.
If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.